Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my walking tour of the beautiful beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. In this video, I'll be taking you on a virtual journey through some of the most stunning beaches that Pattaya has to offer. So, put on your sunscreen, grab your shades, and let's explore together. First things first, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button below. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you think about Pattaya's beaches. Our first stop is Pattaya Beach, which is undoubtedly one of the most popular and busiest beaches in Pattaya.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
The 4-kilometer long beach is lined with an array of restaurants, bars, and souvenir shops. The beach is always buzzing with tourists, and there's never a dull moment here. I love the energy of this place, and I'm sure you will too. Next up is Jomtien Beach, which is situated around 3 kilometers south of Pattaya Beach. Jomtien Beach is famous for its calm waters and serene atmosphere. It's a great place to relax and soak up the sun without the crowds of Pattaya Beach. You can rent a deck chair or umbrella and just lay back and enjoy the stunning view. Our next stop is Jomtien Beach, which is situated just south of Jomtien Beach. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Pattaya's beaches. If you did, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button for more travel content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which of these beaches was your favorite.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!